Just like to come back here and take a few good deep breaths, and it feels like medicine for the soul. When you feel that air of nature, the energy just connecting within each breath is definitely a good thing. I love it. And just thinking about another month or so, everything will be coming back to life. Everything will be turning green again. It's just a sign there how everything passes. Everything has life and death, and yeah. Yeah, it's just good to come out here, feel the presence, and be one with the moment. Just be the present moment. Feel like I'm the whole damn woods sometimes when I'm meditating back here. Yeah, I was just grateful that we had a nice day, and yeah, this is nice weather for February. Anyway, just a short video of the woods here, and I'm gonna do a few minutes of meditation. But I hope you all are enjoying your day, and until next time, peace.